In this video, you'll learn how to convert ADA to USDT on the KuCoin platform. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the conversion process while considering important factors like file size and internet speed, which can affect how quickly you can complete this transaction. Start by navigating to the KuCoin website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the KuCoin URL in the address bar. Once the site loads, you should see the main landing page with various options for trading, managing your cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the navigation menu at the top of the page. Here, you will find a button labeled Trade. Click on this option to access the trading features available on the platform. This action will direct you to a new page that displays different trading options. After that, find and click on the convert option within the trading section. This will open up a user-friendly interface designed for converting one cryptocurrency to another. You should now see fields for selecting the cryptocurrencies you want to convert. Once this appears, look for the Market tab. Click on it to view the available markets. This step is essential because it allows you to select the specific cryptocurrency pair you wish to work with. The interface should update to display the different market options. Now, click on the Pay option. This action will allow you to specify the cryptocurrency you want to convert from. A drop-down menu will appear, enabling you to select the coin you wish to use for the conversion process. Next, click on Select Coin. This will bring up a list of available cryptocurrencies. From this list, find and click on ADA. Selecting this option indicates that you want to convert your ADA into another cryptocurrency. Once you have selected ADA, look for the Receive Estimated section. Click on this to confirm the amount you will receive after the conversion. The system will automatically calculate the estimated amount of USDT you will receive based on current market rates. Following this, click on USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This selection will indicate that USDT is the currency you want to receive in exchange for your ADA. The interface will update to reflect your selection. After making your selection, click on Select Coin again to finalize your choice. This step ensures that the system recognizes your intention to convert ADA to USDT. You should see the option to finalize your conversion. Now type in the amount of ADA you wish to convert. Enter this value into the designated field. Keep in mind that the amount you input should not exceed your available balance, so it is wise to check your ADA holdings before proceeding. Finally, click on the Convert to USDT button to complete the transaction. Once you perform this action, the system will process your request. A confirmation message will appear on the screen indicating that your conversion is successful and providing details of the transaction. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.